subscribe for new videos every week. In a cozy woodland clearing where animals could talk, lived Bodie the bunny and his best friend Scout, a bouncy beagle puppy. One sunny afternoon, the forest friends gathered for a big soccer game. Bodie was calm and focused, while Scout couldn't contain his excitement. As the game began, Scout zoomed across the field, chasing the ball. But oops! He accidentally kicked it into a pile of acorns. The other animals giggled, but Bodie gave Scout an encouraging smile. As the game went on, Bodie scored the winning goal for his team. Scout's team lost, and he sat on the sidelines feeling sad and grumpy. Bodie noticed his friend's disappointment and hopped over to cheer him up.
It's okay to feel upset, but remember, playing together is the real fun. But I wanted to win. I feel like I let everyone down. You didn't let anyone down, Scout. We all had fun playing with you. Winning is nice, but cheering for friends and learning new things is even better. What did you learn today?
Scout thought about this for a moment, his floppy ears perking up a little.
Well, I learned that I need to practice aiming the ball better. You're right. I did learn some new moves today, and I had fun playing with everyone. That's the spirit, Scout!
Bodie and Scout high-fived with paw and paw, laughing together. Over the next few days, Scout practiced his soccer skills with enthusiasm. He may not have become a star player overnight, but he was having more fun than ever. From that day on, Scout played with a big smile, win or lose. He discovered that every game was a chance to have fun and make friends. And in the forest clearing, friendship and laughter always won the day. Bodie and Scout ran off to play another game, ready for new adventures and more fun together. Like and subscribe for new videos every week.